Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are discussing about TVS Raider 125. TVS Raider 125, the ultimate blend of power, style, and advanced technology. Step into the future of motorcycling with a machine designed for the modern rider. With its aggressive stance and muscular design, the TVS Raider 125 exudes confidence and dominance on the road. The all-new LED headlamp with signature DRLs ensures maximum visibility and a bold, unmistakable presence. The aerodynamic tank and sporty graphics enhance its striking appeal, making heads turn wherever you go. Powered by a refined 124.8cc single-cylinder engine, the TVS Raider delivers an exhilarating performance with best-in-class power and torque. Experience the thrill of quick acceleration and smooth riding, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The advanced oil-cooled technology ensures optimal engine temperature, enhancing efficiency and longevity. With a 5-speed gearbox, every ride is seamless, giving you precise control over your journey. The innovative SmartXconnect technology takes your riding experience to the next level. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time information at a glance, keeping you connected with turn-by-turn navigation, call and SMS alerts, and more. The Raider's voice-assisted features ensure a smarter, safer, and more convenient ride. With multiple ride modes, choose between eco and power to suit your riding style and maximize fuel efficiency without compromising performance. Comfort meets sportiness with an ergonomically designed seat and superior suspension. The split seat setup ensures ultimate comfort for both rider and pillion, making long rides effortless. The telescopic front forks and gas-charged monoshock rear suspension absorb bumps with ease, delivering a smooth and stable ride on all terrains. Safety is a top priority with the Raider 125. Equipped with synchronized braking technology and a robust chassis, you can ride with confidence, knowing that every stop is secure. The wide tubeless tires provide excellent grip and stability, ensuring maximum control even on challenging roads. The Raider's lightweight frame enhances maneuverability, making city traffic a breeze to navigate. Designed for the new generation of riders, the TVS Raider 125 offers unmatched style, advanced features, and superior performance. The premium finish, sporty exhaust, and race-inspired elements make it a true standout in its segment. Whether you're a daily commuter or a thrill seeker, this bike redefines what it means to ride with passion. Welcome to the world of TVS Raider 125, where every ride is an experience, and every road is yours to conquer. The legend continues in 2025, pushing boundaries and setting new standards in the world of motorcycles. Ride the future today. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any updates.